I'm Sajeeva Hurtado. I'm Colombian and I'm the creator of the system Ovarian Breathing Feminine Alchemy and the Alchemic Breathing Sacred Sexuality. We're going to use the breath work, the intensity of the breathing to take us into another level of consciousness, not just into our sexual energy, which everybody believes that Tantra is about sexual energy, but mainly is about heart energy and how to be arise from our sexual energy, go through our heart and be able to experience something higher, something bigger, like to unite with the divinity. So we're going to be working with these armors that are not allowing us to be ourselves in a totality and that keep us like castrating ourselves, not just about our sexual energy, but also castrating ourselves about how to feel, how to express, how to communicate, and how to have different intimacy, not just with our partners, but in general life.